Evaluate sin square 30 degrees into cos square 45 degrees plus 4 tan square 30 degrees plus 1 by 2 sin square 90 degrees minus 2 cos square 90 degrees plus 1 by 24. Sin square 30 degrees into cos square 45 degrees plus 4 tan square 30 degrees plus 1 by 2 sine square 90 degrees minus 2 into cos square 90 degrees plus 1 by 24 is equal to sine square 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 whole square into cos square 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square plus 4 into tan square 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by 2 into sine square 90 degrees is equal to 1 whole square minus 2 into cos square 90 degrees is equal to 0 whole square plus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 0 into 2 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus 4 into 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 24. LCM 24. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 8 into 4 is equal to 32 plus 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 12 into 1 is equal to 12 plus 24 into 1 is equal to 24. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 3 plus 32 is equal to 35 plus 12 is equal to 47. 47 plus 1 is equal to 48 divided by 24 is equal to 2.